Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into products that promise to elevate your grooming game. Today, I've got something for the men out there who want to maintain a well-groomed, barber-quality beard at home, the Panasonic Long Beard Trimmer ER-GB96K. Whether you prefer cordless or corded operation, this trimmer has got you covered. And it comes packed with features that make trimming thick, long beards easier than ever. The ER-GB96K is designed for precision and performance, featuring an advanced blade system that captures more whiskers per pass, making it a great choice for those with thicker beards. Thanks to the powerful motor, it cuts through dense hair smoothly without snags or pulls, ensuring a clean, comfortable trim every time. What I love about this trimmer is the sheer flexibility it offers. The 58 adjustable length settings, ranging from 0.5 millimeters to 30 millimeters, give you complete control over your beard length. Whether you're looking for a short, close cut, or want to keep things longer, this trimmer allows you to fine-tune the exact style you want. The 4 comb attachments help align your hair for even trimming, and the detail attachment is perfect for those stray hairs that often get missed with other trimmers. The Panasonic trimmer is also super easy to clean, which is a huge plus. Its IPX7 waterproof design means you can rinse the entire body underwater without worrying about damage. The blades snap on and off with ease, and they're easy to maintain with the included brush. As for longevity, the blade is designed to be replaced every 3 years or whenever it starts to feel dull, so you can be sure it'll keep performing at its best. Now let's talk about performance. After using it for a few weeks, I found that the trimmer is incredibly smooth to use, even on denser beard hair. I really appreciated how effortlessly it glided through, and the wide range of length settings makes it versatile for different styles. Whether you're maintaining a short beard or keeping things longer, you can find the perfect trim length. On the flip side, I did notice that it's a bit on the heavier side, especially if you're used to lighter trimmers. If you're looking for something that feels super lightweight, this might take some getting used to, but that weight adds to the solid feel and durability of the trimmer, so it's a trade-off that most will probably appreciate. So, is this trimmer worth the price? If you're someone who values precision, comfort, and versatility in your grooming routine, then yes, absolutely. The Panasonic ER-GB96K might be a bit of an investment, but given its high-performance motor, 58 length settings, and multiple attachments, it delivers great value. You're getting a professional level experience that saves you both time and money on barber visits. There are definitely other trimmers out there that offer similar features, but the Panasonic model stands out with its advanced motor and solid design. If you're willing to spend a little extra for a quality product, you won't be disappointed. However, if you're on a budget, there are some affordable alternatives that still offer decent performance, but may not have as many customization options or that same premium feel. If you've ever struggled with finding the right trimmer, or if you're tired of using products that don't live up to their claims, the Panasonic Long Beard Trimmer might be just what you need. It's sturdy, precise, and gets the job done efficiently. For those with thicker or longer beards, this is a solid choice that makes beard maintenance at home a breeze. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching today. If you're interested in purchasing this trimmer, I've included the link in the description box below. And if you've used this product, drop a comment and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts on how it's worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.